Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are. I welcome you all today. On this video, I would like us to go through choosing the right niche. It's Amazon Mastery. So I teach people how to write the books from the scratch until they publish them on Amazon KDP. So if you are new, please stay tuned because you will never regret. So let's go and dive in on finding a good niche. Finding a good niche to write books is one of the most important decisions an author can make. A niche is simply a specific topic or audience you choose to focus on, and it determines not only what you write about, but also where your book will perform in the market. Many new writers make the mistake of choosing topics that are too broad, such as health, education, and motivation. While these are popular, they are also highly competitive. A strong niche narrows the focus and targets a specific group of readers with a clear need. The first step in finding a good niche is self reflection. A writer should consider their interest, knowledge, and experience or experiences. Writing becomes easier and more authentic when it is based on something you understand or care about. For example, instead of writing generally about education, you might focus on English learning for beginners or grammar workbooks for grade 8 students. These narrow topics are easier to develop and attract readers who are actively searching for that extract or exact content. Equally important is understanding the needs of readers. A successful niche solves a problem or answers a question. People buy books because they want to learn something, improve their lives, or be entertained. Therefore, it is essential to think like a reader. What are people struggling with? What are they searching for? A good niche sits at the intersection of your knowledge and the reader's needs. You understand? A rich also plays a key role in choosing a niche. Platforms like Amazon KDP allows writers to explore categories, bestsellers, and trending topics by observing what types of books are already selling. You can identify gaps in the market. However, the goal is not copy others, but to find opportunities when you can offer something unique or clearer. Another important factor is specificity. The more specific your niche, the easier it is to stand out. For instance, children's book is too broad, but activity workbooks for 5 to 7 year olds is much more focused. Specific niches help you book reach the right audience and improve visibility in such a result. It is also wise to consider long-term potential. A good niche is not just one book idea, but a category where you can create multiple books. For example, if you choose English learning, you can write about grammar, vocabulary, compensation, and exercises. This allows you to build series to grow your presence as an author. Finally, a good niche balance passion and demand. Writing only a passion without considering readers may result in poor sales, and you don't need that. While focusing only on demand without interest can lead to burnout. The best approach is to combine both. Choose a niche you enjoy that also provide value to others. In conclusion, finding a good niche is about clarity, research, and purpose. It requires understanding yourself, identifying the readers or the needs of a reader, and focusing on specific area where you can make an impact. With the right niche, writing becomes easier and your chances of success increases significantly. If you are new here, please consider subscribing, share the videos to your friends, your families who are willing to start writing the books or willing to start making the income online stream. And click the notification bell so that you don't miss the new uploads I make about writing the books, selling the books on Amazon KDP. Let's meet again next time. I hope you enjoyed the video. Welcome.